What's good, YouTube? Welcome to Double O with Astro. Today, I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to show you another review of Traffic Ad Bar, and I want to show you what you can do with it. Traffic Ad Bar is a traffic exchange where you can be able to earn amount of hits to your website just by looking at other people's opportunity and exchange for yours. And one of the best things that I like about this program is the level ladder, and that you can reach the level ladder by earning lots of points to your website. And this is the way where a lot of marketers use to get their website seen. Now, when you first start off with Traffic Ad Bar, you're going to start off the bottom. So from the bottom is level 1 and the top is level 17. And the higher you are that's on the level ladder is the more times people are going to be able to see your website. So that's why you want to be able to click for points, so you can be able to get to the level ladder and get to the highest level. Okay. I love their referral system as well. Now I'm gonna show you what I have gotten, just to show you results of traffic that I've been getting, that I've been generating since I've been using this platform, and I'm gonna show you what I have been getting for this month alone. Okay, so this system is loading up right now. Sometimes it does that on my computer kind of slow, so please excuse me for that. Most of the time you got lots of things opening up. So, but this is on the side. This is how much I earned this month. I'm at the platinum, and it is level. So the higher your level is, the more points that you'll be able to get when you go surfing. Because what you do is you surf and you click to earn points, and then they got a 10%. They got a 10 second timer till you be able to see the next the next site, and that's when you get your site. So as you can see right here, this month points I had 549,340, 18 referrals, and I'm on level 7 for the ladder. And that's on one of my sites, and you can see right here. You see all the members that's a part of Traffic Ad Bar. They have the top 20 for the points, and you can see the people who surfed today, the ones who surfed the most, so you can be presented. These are my websites right here. This is the level that they're at. It shows you how many points that you have clicked today and this month and last month, so you can check out all of those statistics. So this is a free site to join up. This is your you get your referral link, and it's so many different ways you could be able to earn points. You can earn them because also they send you emails as well, and you can click on other people's opportunity through the emails, and usually that's where you get the most points, coming from the emails. Okay, you also can get points by using Traffic Ad Bar's website link. And when people on like if you was to promote this on other traffic exchanges, people can look at that, and you can get points on Traffic Ad Bar. That way you don't have to search so much. You'll be able to get points automatically when you're not even around. So that's another benefit that Traffic Ad Bar does have. You can see right here. As soon as this loads up, and this shows you right here when the next level will be set. It usually be set 3 days. Every 3 days, that's when the level ladder boosts up. So if whatever points or whatever amount of hits that you have gotten around that 3-day period, that's when the statistics will move everything up. So if you had a lot of points, let's say you was on level 3, you got a lot of points that was required to move up to level 4, then you'll see that your level had rised up. So that's another good benefit of it. They have good promotional tools that you can use to promote Traffic Ad Bar, and lots of people use this. I think it's one of the top performing sites that's on Alexa right now. I forgot the rank, but many people get lots of traffic, and lots of people say that traffic exchanges safe list doesn't work. They really do work. You just have to use them correctly. My advice to you guys is to make sure that you use the you know, you use splash pages, or you know, you use some type of capture page to opt in so people can see, because you know people only got like a 10-second window, and most people don't, you know, don't look at your affiliate opportunity because you know they're just trying to click to get credit. So you know you want to check that out. These are where you put your sites at with traffic ad bar. You know, the one that's highlighted in yellow, that's the main one that's going to be rotated in the rotator. Your site will be definitely rotated. You also can have banners, but once you have to upgrade to the pro level to get banners as well. So you know, make sure you check out all that. And like I said, this is a pretty decent way to get your opportunity out there to the masses, because you know you want to get free traffic, especially if you don't have a big budget in paid traffic and marketing. This really definitely can cut the chase down, you know. And this is just one of the opportunities that I use. I use many more other traffic exchanges and safe lists that I promote my business on a daily routine. But you can definitely use this. It's free unless you want to upgrade to get the best for your buck. If you want to get more traffic drawn to your site, this will be a good opportunity for you. So that's what I wanted to show you guys with traffic ad bar. Be sure to like and hit the subscribe button to this channel. If you would like to join with me with traffic ad bar, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you check that out. I also have other ways of marketing that I use on a daily basis. You can also contact me on Facebook. My social media will also be at the description below. All right. So that's all I have for you guys. This is Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys on the next video.